The Nike GT Future Metallic is shaping up to be one of Nike basketball's boldest designs yet, bringing a futuristic twist to the performance-driven GT series. First revealed through the Nike SNKRS Showcase, the pair stands out with a fully molded, shimmering silver upper that creates a flowing, fabric-like illusion across the entire silhouette. Sharp folds, recessed lines, and a sculpted embedded swoosh give the shoe an aerodynamic, space-age identity unlike anything in the current lineup. Though Nike hasn't confirmed the tech specs, the model is expected to carry the signature Zoom Air and lightweight foam cushioning found in the Greater Than series. A black neoprene collar and tongue add contrast, completing the sleek presentation. Designed for elite movement but styled for maximum attention, the GT Future Metallic is positioned to dominate both the performance court and the sneaker spotlight in 2025.